a second in Qatar and a victory here, as Francesco Guidotti pointed out to Simon downstairs. Jean Zarco then ending his podium drought. Fabio Quartararo, quite possibly the happiest man on the podium this afternoon. A real breakthrough for him in full wet conditions to take second place. But Miguel Oliveira, he was the master in Mandalika this afternoon, dominating the race. For the moment he got past Jack Miller at the front of this Grand Prix, there was no catching him. A fourth career victory for him in MotoGP. Of course, they've all come in very different circumstances. The last lap, last corner overtake that took him to his first Grand Prix victory. The dominance of Portimao. The victory against the odds in some respects in Barcelona last year. And then a victory, a real dominant wet weather victory here, as the president of the Republic of Indonesia, Joko Widodo, passes over the trophies to our top three. Jean Zarco, our third place man. Fabio Quartararo in second place. This was the first time Fabio Quartararo has met him. He wasn't at the parade on Wednesday. Quartararo, one of the sweetest trophies and the most precious 20 points he's perhaps picked up in his career. But Miguel Oliveira then, he is your race winner. The president hands over the trophy. It took us 25 years, but it was certainly worth the wait. And magnificent Miguel mastered the wet conditions in Mandalika this afternoon.
Portugal.
Visit to Indonesia ends in joy and triumph for the factory KTM team. It's the race win and his 50th MotoGP start for 27-year-old Portuguese rider Miguel Oliveira. 16th career win, 4th in the MotoGP World Championship. His first podium since the Sachsenring. Feels like a long, long wait, doesn't it? Last summer in Germany. Those three men there on your picture had to work really, really hard, didn't they, for their money and their points today. Tricky conditions. We saw big scares of Pecco Bagnaia, Pol Espargaro. Jorge Martin crashed out and went when well placed. Stunned.